Hello and welcome to New Parents in Training. So today we got a bunch of stuff on MHW-3BOMBERs, and it feels like Christmas in March because there's a lot of accessory for our coffee machine. So anyway, let's go dive right in to unbox each one of them to see what they are, because there's like total of 5 items here. Yeah, surprise, surprise. All right, so the first one. Alright, so this is the knot box. Alright, it's all made out of wood. And the centerpiece where the knot box is made out of metal. There's a QC card. Not quite sure what this will do, but we'll figure it out in a little bit. And a card. Oh, nice. Even on the knot box, there's a logo. Also in front of the box, you have a logo here as well. This looks quite nice. Next one. Oh, this one can just slide right out. Okay, this looks like portafilter. This is a 54mm portafilter. Oh, looks nice. Have their logo on the back. Whoa. Oh, wow. I do like the handle. It's very smooth. Now, we do have a portafilter at home, but the handle finish is not as smooth as this. All right. This is the 54mm portafilter. This one is the lighting needle distributor. So this is a WDT tool. A QC card. So replacement needles, there are 4 of them here. Alright, so here is the tool itself. There's a total of 8 needles in there. Alright, here is the stand. When you finish using this, ta-da, like this. Isn't that cool? When you need it, pull it out. Done, put it back in. On to the next one. Let's see what this is. Oh, there's actually 2 items in there. A QC card. It looks like a distribution tool. And once you have your coffee in your portafilter, this is where you're going to turn and make sure everything is level. And they even have an indicator down under to show you how far that you have extended out. So just depending on your own preference, and how far you need this to get inside your portafilter to even out the coffee. Next one, also a QC card. All right, so this one is a temping tool. This one, I'm pretty sure you can adjust the height. So you loosen up the top portion, the cap, and then you can turn the bottom to your desired level. Also has an indicator on it as well to tell you how far you have extended out. So once you're done, you just turn the cap and tighten it, and that's it. All right, so here are everything that I just unboxed. Let me go just kind of clean them up a little bit, and then let's go make some coffee. Alright, let me talk about the knot box really quick. The knot box is suitable for all 54mm accessories such as tamping tools or spreader and your portafilter. Now I have tried 3 different portafilter on this knot box. They all fit. One of them obviously is from MHW. That one fit. The one that originally came with the barista machine, that one fits as well. And also another one I have tried is the cream of coffee portafilter. That one fits as well. Alright, so my final thought about the MHW-3BOMBER. I really like the product. It's really a one-stop shop where you can get all your accessory in one place. This way, everything is synchronized. I don't have to go out to different companies to look for a different product. So if you want to up your game on making espresso at home, this is the company that you want to shop at. Not only they have 54mm accessories, they also have 58mm accessory as well. So anyway, if you have any questions, comment down below. Until next time, bye.